as a daily user, I don't think there's a better car for sale than the Golf GTD. I mean, this car is unbelievable spec-wise. 2022 72 plate. It's got the key features. It's got the Adelaide wheels. It's got the reversing camera. It's got the sunroof. Massive feature on these cars. It's also the right colour, Moonstone Grey. Look at this car. Forget about going to VW and buying one new. The wait list is 18 months to 2 years. That is guaranteed. You physically cannot get these cars. That makes it unique. It means that we as a UK best car retailer have got this car physical in our showroom. It's ready to go. If you want it, you can collect it today. It's done 300 miles. It is, for me, for everything you would want from a daily user. Performance, fuel efficiency, spec, looks, space with 5 doors. The GTD is an incredible car. This particular example is a one-off because of the spec, like I've said, in the car. The colour, Moonstone Grey, it's a metallic grey colour, but it also looks like flat Porsche crayon, Audi Nardo Grey. That's the colour that this car has. Then that goes over and above with the wheels. If you want one of these GTDs, make sure you get one with the right spec. This one's got the 19-inch Adelaide wheel upgrade, which make the car, it makes it look so much more sporty. But above that, again, the Mk8 Golf is so modern from the front end. LED strip light underneath the bonnet, 5-pin fog lights. Look how good it looks. Behind them wheels, you'll also see the red braking calipers. That's an upgrade. But then look at the sunroof. These features are just what you want on a Golf for resale value, for enjoyment on a daily basis. It's also got reversing camera. It's an unbelievable car. 200 brake horsepower, 7 seconds 0 to 60. It feels so much faster. It's probably combined 50 miles to the gallon, so it does everything you'd want a modern hatchback to do, plus more. It also has space, so a GTD throughout the years, classic things, space in the back, through load facility, split folding seat, still retains all those classic features from every Golf throughout the years, but bang up to date. IQ lights to the rear, all LED, lovely colour, lovely look about it, and like I say, it's so modern. Privacy glass to the rear, iconic interiors as well, crosshatch interior, digital climate control to the rear, ambient lighting throughout this car, and obviously semi-automatic gearbox, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, key features, wraparound cockpit. It's so modern, the driver setup of this car, and it does drive so well. I would happily jump in this car every day and use it with a smile on my face because it does everything. So, right colour, right wheels, sunroof, reverse camera, brand new condition on a 72 with delivery miles on, only 300 miles. Available for immediate collection on our website. Ring me or reserve it on our website, get it secured straight away. So sitting in this car, what do you get? You get a lovely interface which almost wraps around the steering wheel. On the steering wheel itself, you can see we've got heated wheel, we've got adaptive cruise on the left-hand side and all your Bluetooth and stereo controls. VW have sort of got rid of the buttons in this car for just like clusters, so they're all touch operated, all your light clusters here. And then piano black down the centre cockpit, look how beautiful that is. Short shift gearbox here, so if I pop it into reverse, we've got reversing camera with the 360 graphic. All you do with foot on the brake, into drive, and away you go. P for park, start, stop here. Under here we've got wireless phone charging, hill assist, electronic handbrake, and then very user-friendly interface with smartphone, your vehicle settings, navigation, Bluetooth. It's just a great car. You also get assistance settings for your driver assistance with your adaptive cruise. You get different driving modes. And like I say, they've got rid of buttons. So these are all just touch-sensitive things with a touch screen as well. This car does perform in sport. It's so fast. It's so good on fuel. It's agile. It does everything. And with the spec, this one's got, like that, sunroof, wheels, reverse camera, colour. They are the key points of this car which make it a real seller. Plus the fact that if you walked into a VW showroom, try it yourself, give VW a ring, try and order a new one. It's physically impossible. We know it's 18 months for a new one. This one's physically here. Use my number on the screen, give me a ring, get it secured. Thanks for watching.